Good morning. We are here, about to leave, heading up to visit some friends. Oh, let me put this light on. Let's see how it's gonna go. There we go. Don't know how this is gonna look. We're gonna try this for the first time. So, it is 4:00 in the morning, like Doris's elders used to say, or like my grandma used to say, en la madrugada or por la madrugada, early in the morning. We're gonna try to head out early and get somewhere at a good time. So I did a lot of the packing last night. All I really have to do now is just pretty much take off the power, water, and we should be able to back on out of here. So I'm just putting some of the last things in the truck. We have our guest who's coming with us again, which is going to be Tina, our granddaughter, our oldest grandchild. So all I'm doing is, like I said, putting the little last things in the truck for the trip. We're gonna visit some friends up in North Carolina. You may know them. All About the Saints, Dwayne and Belinda. So that's gonna be our weekend trip. All right, so we're all hooked up. We just pulled out onto the roadway, doing our little final checks, making sure that everything is in line. It's gonna be pretty much a straight shot all the way up to North Carolina. What you got there?
Lights.
That's your department. She forgot the awning light, y'all. So yeah, that's the view. Probably can't see much, but we're heading to North Carolina. We will check in. Checking in. All right, so we're in Daytona Beach area, the Buc-ee's here. So getting a little gas. Right now it's not that bad. It's about 82 degrees. So that sun ain't kicking yet, but yeah, here getting this gas. Gonna go inside, walk around, see what they got. Tina's with us. Say hello, ladies.
Hello.
Hello. So they're gonna go in there, probably spend a couple dollars. So get this gas, and then we'll check in along the way. Pretty straight shot. We're gonna get on 95, and 95 should take us close to where we gotta get. I don't know if we gotta get in any local roads once we get up in North Carolina, but that is the goal, North Carolina. All right, we got our gas, got a bag of goodies, a little fuel. We got some Buc-ee's tater tots going down in the back there, up in front too. Everybody contributed to Mr. Buc-ee there. So we're gonna get on this road and we'll check in. We made it in on daylight. So, you looking for this? I knew you were looking for that. We're at the Raleigh Oaks RV Resort and Cottages. We are in Four Oaks, North Carolina. Atina is looking for this. Why? You know why. It's the Wi-Fi. Bam! We're gonna go see if she gets a good signal, then I don't have to worry about putting that Starlink up. So we'll see what happens. So this place, first impressions, we just pulled up from up there. There's a quick right turn, come down, boom, we're here on site 211. I'll pull through site, pretty easy. We got level pretty quickly. Everything is out, set up. Doris is on the inside, setting up. So, pretty easy, nice location. Everything looks really nice. So, I mean, that's just first impressions. We were greeted by our friends, Dwayne and Belinda, all about the banks. It was really cool seeing them. Looking forward to spending a couple days here and hanging out with them. So again, we made it in. Look, sun's still up, y'all. So, on our defense, a couple of traffic snarls. 2 really big delays. Actually, I think it was 3 big delays, at least from 30 minutes or more. And then we took our normal stops. So, ended up being like about a 12-hour day, 13-hour day. No biggie though. We're good. Setting up, and we'll check in once we get back in it. All right, so we're going to the Science Center in Raleigh, North Carolina. We just parked the car, and the first stop, Premier Cakes Diner. So nice little spot inside. We weren't even expecting this, so we're about to see what's up. They got a good little display right there, looking cakes. So we're about to find out what's going on. My bad. Food came out. I'm starving. Started eating. I got me a sausage and fries, peppers, onions. Laura's got the fried chicken wings, French fries. Tina just wanted some fries. So nice little spot. Food is pretty good. They cook it right there, so it came out nice and hot. And when we get down here, we're gonna go inside that Science Center. So hopefully we can take the video inside. I don't know if they can or not, but we will check in. What's the verdict? It's good? Okay. All right. All right, so we just got done eating. We're outside in a little courtyard. We're about to enter the building. There's a little courtyard area they have. It's really nice outside right now. 86 degrees. Partly cloudy. Not that bad. A little breeze going. Comfortable. And I'm thinking maybe this might be the entrance that we can go into. North Carolina State Museum of Natural Sciences. That's what you're looking at. Got the little sunflowers. Goes another beautiful flower right there. Doris ominous. All right, so we'll see what it is once we get inside. Got spiders, Oceans 3D now showing. All right. Hopefully Atina likes it. All right, so we made it inside. There's no, how you say it? There's no like cover charge or whatever like that to just come and see what they have on display. But if you want to go to specific areas inside, there's different prices for like different shows or whatever. So you can come in and just view stuff on your own or choose certain things and pay a certain price. So not bad. This is the first level right here.
like to you?
Like he coming to get you.
It looks like they have little feet. It's like
Okay, so I got an update. So we're on the first level. There's 4 floors. You can check out all the exhibit on all the 4 floors. The only thing that you would have to pay for if you wanted to see the 3D movie about spiders. So don't know if Atina would be interested in that. If she is, we will take a look at that. But other than that, we're just gonna be roaming around and taking some footage of what they have on display. The brown pelican. Pelican.
the pelican cow.
Pelican. Where's my man Traveling Robert? Pelican what? Where he live? Pelican where?
In Florida.
No, Pelican Camp or whatever it's called?
Yeah, pelican cow.
Pelican Camp. Traveling Robert.
Yes.
Goes your little, that'll be your little logo on the outside. We'll check in. All right, so we're in the gift shop. No trip is complete. When you have a Tina, she has to get a plushie.
I got a wolf this time.
Any name on him yet?
No, I don't.
Not yet? All right, we'll come up with a name in a little while. We'll check in. All right, so we're leaving. What'd you think, babe?
Oh, I loved it. I absolutely, truly loved it.
Cool. Think we come back with the little ones?
Oh, yes, most definitely.
Definitely got to bring Zoe and Legend on this next one. So, or anything like it. The museums are always cool. So, you had a good time, Tina? Mm-hmm. What was your favorite part?
This area.
This area?
Yeah.
The beginning area. Pretty cool. So yeah, so Natural Treasure of North Carolina, first floor, that was Tina's favorite. So you got the birds flying up there. We'll leave with them. All right, we had a great time. We'll check in. All right, they found a little cart outside. They're gonna get some slushies, or what do you call them, shaved ice? No, I'm good. So Tina chose grape.
There's your first one. Excuse me? Can I actually get grape and blueberry? Blue raspberry? Yeah. Blueberry? Thank you so much. Have a good day. You too. Thank you.
Good? Huh?
There's a good flavor.
Good flavor? All right. So a quick little recap before I leave, or we leave. So again, it's in the downtown Raleigh area. And we were able to, it's free parking in some areas. So we parked right there, okay? And we crossed the street, and literally that's where the Science Center is. So in this building right here is where the that little restaurant we went to, okay? And we got out of the Science Center. Right outside here, you have the little food cart, and the girls are enjoying their little refreshments that they got. And I'm about to crank the car up, get the AC going, so that way everybody's cool when we get in there. So admission was free. Our little meal, all three of us ate, had a little something there. It was like 30-something bucks. So if you want to pack a lunch when you come here, there's places where you can sit outside, have a little picnic. Inside there's also a little restaurant. They have little snacks and stuff like that. There's a gift shop. We did get a little something at the gift shop, but I mean, honestly, it was free, so you can really, you know, just get here, enjoy the exhibits, and it doesn't cost you really anything. So that's a quick little recap. We'll do probably more, but I just wanted to say that while I was fresh in the mind while we're getting ready to get up out of here. So next stop, we'll be back at the campground. All right, y'all. We made it back from the Science Museum. We had a cool time at the All About the Banks potluck. So now we're finally going to get to enjoy this beautiful, one of two beautiful pools that they have. We have my two ladies, Atina Wave and the Queen. And that hot tub looks really refreshing. And then we got this pool over here. This place is really, really nice. Showers right here. They have about 8 different bath houses. Here's a little area where you could just sit out. Obviously right now, believe it or not, it's 8 o'clock at night. Sun's setting down there. They have the area for the cornhole, okay? Have a little area for ping pong, table tennis. On the other side, there's an area that has miniature golf. What is that game called? Pickleball. You got pickleball over there. Another pool. So really, really nice stuff. So we are really, really good. All right, and across on the other side is the other pool. So we're just in that pool on that side. Right across the street is this area. So they have, again, I think they have 4 bathhouses on this side. And they have this nice pool here. Okay. Here's the entrance. Raleigh Oaks RV Resort and Cottages. The cottages are all the way in the back. There's your information. 919-934-3881 if you're in this area. Here's your little miniature golf course. There's that other pool. Half-court basketball court right there. And a little playground area for the children. Really nice. Another little area for picnicking or just sitting out. Got the umbrellas. It just rained here a little while ago, so that's why you see it's all wet. Here goes the 2 pickleball courts that they have. And they have all the things here. So the pickleball equipment is in the little basket over there. In the pool area, there's a basket that has different things, noodles, little like water guns for the kids to play with, just little things like that. And you just, you know, use it and then put it back when you're done. Here's an example of, let's see, this is the back part. So the actual bathhouse is on the other side. Let's see if I get one of those. Let's see. Well, we'll check one on this side. So, really nice campground. We would recommend, if you're in this area, check it out. You have a good idea of what it's like. Obviously, you know, call, ask the questions you want to ask. And but yeah, we've been here. We got here Thursday or Wednesday, can't remember. It's Saturday now. We're gonna leave in the morning, head back to Florida. But yeah, that's where we're at. See if I can get they have a laundromat, and you would need a code, which they provide you the code, so you can get in there. They got a handicapped bathroom there, and then nobody's in this one. We'll throw the light on, and each one is just like this. Has a shower, toilet and sink, very clean, AC in there and everything. So again, Raleigh Oaks RV Resort and Cottages. Not a bad spot. Thanks Dwayne and Belinda, All About the Banks, for inviting us to the meetup. It was really cool. All right, we got cut off at the battery died, but Tina back there. What's going on right there? She's here for the whole trip. So had a good weekend. We're heading back from North Carolina. Doris is doing her thing. Watching Relatively Rich Life video. Catching up on some of our YouTube friends. So we would do like, I guess we'll do a recap when we get home. Possibly. Doris don't like to do a recap sometimes. So it depends on what kind of footage she got. She go for that. So.
Stop!
We'll check
Tell
in.
people what I want and what I